Myself Kalyani Jayavardhan
and myself Neha Deepak.
Today we are here to give some information about modern periodic table. So it is modern periodic table. It is also called as long form of periodic table. It is consists on 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as periods. Each box 118 elements are placed in their increasing order. It is the one box of the modern periodic table and it is also called as Q of the modern periodic table. 6 is the atomic number, C is the symbol, carbon is the element name and it is the atomic weight. Modern periodic table divided in 4 blocks, namely S block, D block, P block and F block. So F block made in group 1 to group 2. It has very highly reactive metals and hydrogen. D block made group 3 to group 12. D block has transition metals. P block made in group 13 to group 18. Only this block has metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals and non-metals separated by zigzag line. Group 17 is halogen family and group 18 is fully noble gases. Block F, actinide and antinide both series from F block. Next presentation concluded by my friend.
Importance of the trends. In a period, we will go in left to right. Atomic radius goes on decreasing and atomic number goes on increasing one by one. While goes to right in a period, metallic characters goes on decreasing. In a group goes on downward, atomic radius goes on increasing. हे सर्व एलिमेंट्स लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी आपण काही सिंपल अँड कॉमन ट्रिक्स यूज करणार आहोत. आता आपण ग्रुप फर्स्ट साठी बघू. हाय, लीना के रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप. तसेच ग्रुप सेकंड साठी बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजे. याचप्रमाणे आपण पी ब्लॉक से ही बघणार आहोत. ग्रुप 13 साठी बैंगन आलू गाजर इन थैला नहीं